In medicine, breakthroughs are made nearly every day. But people aren't the only ones benefiting from medical advances. Our pets are getting better care too. Many of the same treatments performed on humans translate into the veterinary world. Nowhere is this more evident than in the field of laparoscopic surgery, a minimally invasive surgical technique that reduces pain, shortens recovery time, and reduces risk of complications.
With traditional surgery, we make a large incision that allows access to the abdomen. With minimally invasive or laparoscopic surgery, we make a small incision that allows us to place a telescope into the abdomen so that we can see, and then additional small incisions to place instruments in the abdomen to allow us to do surgery.
As pets become more of a part of the family, pet owners want to provide them with the best medical care. Even during routine surgeries like spay, pet lovers want their four-legged friends to have the most state-of-the-art procedures and the easiest recovery. When it was time for Chelly to get spayed, her owner, Barbara Scott Breyer, wanted her to have the best care possible. That meant seeking out a veterinarian that could perform the procedure laparoscopically.
I wanted Chelly to have laparoscopic surgery because it's less invasive, a lot easier on the dog. I was concerned about recovery time, I was concerned about pain, and I worry about my dog, so I wanted it to be as easy as possible.
Spay is a prime example of a veterinary procedure that can be better performed laparoscopically. In traditional spay, a larger skin incision is required to allow insertion of the surgeon's finger into the abdomen during the procedure. The attachment of the ovary is stretched or torn to allow visualization, and this trauma, in addition to the larger skin incision, led to postoperative pain. Laparoscopic surgeries are completed through one or more small incisions. Utilizing a telescope attached to a video camera, surgeons can see the anatomy in fine detail, allowing superior surgical precision. With advanced instruments, divided tissue can be sealed off nearly instantly, resulting in minimal or no blood loss.
Laparoscopic spays are less invasive, less traumatic, less painful, and have less risk than traditional spays. And the post-op recovery is faster with less need for pain medication and less activity restriction that's required. And since we started doing spays almost 100 years ago, we've developed better anesthesia, better pain management, better sutures, and we use better aseptic technique. But we're still using the same old-fashioned tissue manipulation. And now laparoscopy brings that last piece of the puzzle into place to allow us to bring the procedure up to today's standards. One of the advances in technology that has made this procedure so effective is the vessel sealing device that we use. And this instrument measures the tissue as it seals it to make sure that it's sealed properly. One of the common procedures that we do with laparoscopic spays in breeds where it's indicated is what we call a prophylactic gastropexy. And this is where we fasten the stomach to the abdominal wall to prevent it from twisting in breeds that are subjected to bloat.
For people who love their pets, minimally invasive surgery is an easy decision.
I'd recommend the laparoscopic spay for other pet owners because it is simpler, it's easier, less risk to the dog, and a fast healing time. The end result for me has been wonderful, and I think it would be for others as well.
Covidien is a global leader in medical products, innovating new devices and supplies benefiting human and animal health and helping medical professionals perform their life-saving work.
In animal health, we strive to put our product development expertise in the hands of veterinarians everywhere. With our LigaSure vessel sealing technology, vets are now able to perform a spay without stretching or tearing tissue, which results in less pain, it's done in less time, and allows the use of minimally invasive techniques. So whether we're adapting human surgical technologies for animal use or developing animal health specific products, we're always working towards the next advancements that will support veterinarians helping pets.
Covidien's mission is to create and deliver healthcare solutions developed in ethical collaboration with medical professionals, which enhance the quality of life for patients and improve outcomes for our customers and our shareholders. Covidien has a long history of innovation, developing groundbreaking products in surgical stapling, laparoscopic instrumentation, and electrosurgery. Today, Covidien works with physicians and other healthcare professionals to create new products and advance old ones, improving patient outcomes and safety.
Our support for animals and their caregivers doesn't stop at the veterinarian's office. We support the animal health community through product donations and education at industry meetings and vet schools. We donate product to the MSPCA and animal shelters across the United States. And we have volunteer time and product to help animals in natural disaster areas. We continue to aid veterinarians in developing countries who are working to spay and neuter feral dogs and cats. We want to continue to help vets around the world provide better care.
Covidien, positive results for life. Learn more about Covidien's latest medical innovations at covidien.com/spay.